All right, what's going on, guys? It's Dana back with one more video, and today we're going to talk about the farewell of the Huawei P30 Pro. Man, am I going to miss this phone. God. For those of you looking to buy this phone right now, now's the time to buy it, because everybody and their mother are selling this bad boy out for mad cheap right now. Look at that. Look at that color. So my time with this phone has been spent just admiring the long battery life, admiring the incredible camera, admiring what Huawei has done to a phone that's this thin, so well built, yet packs such a phenomenal battery, such a phenomenal camera, and looks just as premium as its price tag. And that's rare to find these days, because these days phone manufacturers are raising the prices on their phones, but does it give you the best of the best? Rarely is that the case. And with this phone, the Huawei P30 Pro, if you're going to spend the money in getting this phone, even despite the whole US ban and blacklist and all that nonsense, you're going to get a beast of a phone. A beast of a phone. If you live in Europe, if you live in Asia, in places that are really not affected by the US ban, then this phone is going to be a steal, because there's going to be so many people selling them. Even if you live in the United States of America, Huawei still gets 3 months from the time of this video was posted, 3 months of security patches, etc. And Huawei has also vouched that like what currently you have on the phone, operating system, etc., is going to continue to work. What you may end up missing are future updates. But if you're someone who uses a phone for a year or less than a year, that shouldn't be an issue. So, why am I going to miss this phone, guys? Because this phone has given me over a day and a half of battery life consistently. Often, I found myself going to work the next day, coming home, and still having a battery at 5 to 10%, despite going almost 2 full days and with over 10 hours of screen on time. This camera has allowed me to take pictures that otherwise I would never have. I mean, yeah, that 50 times zoom is pretty ridiculous. I mean, you're not going to get the most perfect in focus photo, obviously, but the 5 to 10, super useful. And when you really want to show somebody something that's wow, a wow factor, you crank that up to 50x, and suddenly people are like, are you serious? Are you serious? And that's cool. That's useful, and it's cool. And then the actual use of this phone, the features, the functionality, I feel like the gimmicks of the past is not really here anymore. You actually have really useful things. It works well. Rarely did I use a feature on this phone. I used to hate doing the knock with the knuckle in order to take a screenshot, but I use it all the time now. It works well every single time now. Being able to set up your phone 2 different ways with 2 different fingerprints, really cool stuff. It's just a shame that everything that's going on right now is causing this phone, and you know, that's a discussion for another time. But I'm gonna miss this phone. For any of you out there looking to buy this phone, I'm gonna link it to Amazon, and I'm gonna link it to another website that I like to use to buy my stuff all the time. Feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you're gonna miss this phone, if you're gonna be buying this phone, because now it's going to be mad cheap, a lot cheaper than what it used to be. You could probably find one of these phones right now for as much as you could find a new Pixel 3 XL. Not the 3A, but the 3 XL, the more premium version. Anyways, guys, it's a farewell to the P30 Pro, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, salute, and adios.